Ready for more Mexican food? You got it. Today we're gonna make the traditional Mexican tacos. Follow us. And we're gonna use Mexican sausage, beef steak, nopales, pre-compared cactus, cilantro, onions, green peppers, red tomatoes, lime, and the traditional Mexican tortillas. Don't forget our special salt. And the first thing that we're gonna do is the salsa. So we're gonna roast peppers and tomatoes. Now we're gonna use the onion, chop it up to be part of our tacos at the end. Chop it up, cilantro, nopales, chop it up, the onion. Now we turn over the ingredients for the salsa. We just mash the three ingredients, which is our special salt, the roasted peppers, tomatoes. This is considered one of the most simple and delightful Mexican salsas. Now that we have the sausage ready, we're gonna put it in our hot pot. And now we cut the steak the size of your tacos. At this moment, we're gonna remove the sausage just a little bit. We add our special salt. The onions and the cactus. Our special salt, in case that you have a vegetarian, this option of the cactus with the onions is an excellent idea for tacos. Now to make our taco, we're gonna use a tortilla, heat it up, sausage it a little bit more. And now we're gonna do our first taco. I'm gonna take a steak taco. You can chop it up if you want, but I like it like this. Now here we have the onions, cilantro, lime juice on the salsa. The very special technique. Wow. And this is how we do our Mexican taco. Very simple. Delightful.